Hi everyone, how are you? Positive energy friends. 大家好. Today we talk about many countries mourn the passing of Pope Francis, who is full of grace. This Wednesday, April 23rd, 2025 in London, the United States, the United Kingdom, and Ukraine are moving in a positive direction to launch peace talks with a real truce in the Ukrainian-Russian war, and Putin also supports peace in an open direction. The whole world, or Ukrainians or Russians, are also the day when everyone is at peace. All feel so tired and tired of painful war. It's not interesting either. It is the pain of all mankind, the helplessness of all mankind, and the inautonomy of all mankind. They are fully revealed. Here I personally wish with my most sincere hope that this peace negotiation will be truly successful and complete, and that mankind will never have such war sufferings again. Thank you for the bright blessings of heaven on earth. Besides, I have already said in the winter of 2022 that the two sides will fact fighting to reduce casualties to zero. The soldiers on both sides are familiar with exchanging intelligence. 罗穗宇, a 28-year-old doctor in China who is about to graduate, fell to his death after a fierce fight in his room for reporting live organ harvesting of children's organs. I'm investigating this case myself, for I vow that all sin shall be destroyed. Therefore, do not sin. Have porridge, eat porridge. Have rice, then eat rice. Money is something outside the body. Enough is enough. No need to force it. The most important thing is to meditate and become a Buddha without sex and meat. I'm investigating, however, after I watched the video of this case at 17 o'clock p.m. on April 21st, 2025. Two men blocked my road. They stood beside their bicycles and spoke something at 19:30 dusk on my way home. 多国对充满美誉的教宗方济各离世致哀。经过星期三，2025年4月23日，美国、英国、乌克兰在自治的方向去展开乌俄战争4时真正停战的和平谈判，而普京亦以开放的方向支持和平。全世界全部黑兰人，全部俄罗斯人，也是最希望盼望得到大家都和平的一天。对于痛苦的战争，实在是感到太疲倦、太厌倦了，也没有什么意思的。